Here we are in the pottery at the Southside Historic Village. This is the artisan shop. I am Jeffrey Rowe Kohut. This is my potter's journal. And I've always had this antique vintage electric, but wait till you see this. A brand new treadle wheel. And best of all, it's mine when I come here to volunteer, but I don't have to store it and didn't have to pay for it. Look at that. It has got a beautiful new cherry wooden seat and platform, just refurbished. It was plywood rotted and rusted apart when it came in here. Wait till you see this. Just a few kicks and it will do the job. Okay, stop back and see what's going on in the artisan shop at the Southside Historic Village.